How to make a shirt in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to do and you can do it on anything. So go ahead and press more once you have Roblox open, then go to create, which is right here. It's going to open up a browser. Now all you want to do is go to creations and then you're going to see development items as one of the options. It's going to say models and packages, different things like that. All you want to go ahead and do is go to images and then it says images can only be generated by the system. Upload a decal to add images. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload whatever we want. So I'm going to upload something that I made, just a random image. So we're going to upload this right here. And then I'll just call it whatever I want, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and press upload right here. Now just wait for it to upload. Just make sure your file is at least a JPEG, PNG, or anything like that. As you can see, it's now made. Now I can go to avatar items and then I can go to clothing, go to t-shirts, and it's going to say add avatar items. So basically it says publish and sell avatar items. I can watch exactly how to do it. And it says I can design a classic 2D shirt or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that.